Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting straight to the app entry, open Settings, then Apps and Notifications, and tap See All Apps. Once done, make sure to reveal System Processes with the three-dot menu and select Show System, because the screen sharing service is a system app. Next, type Cast or Wireless Display into the app search so you land directly on the system component that manages sharing. You do this because the visible quick tile only starts the service. You must stop the underlying system app to fully close it. You now force the service to stop. On the app page, tap Force Stop and confirm when prompted. This immediately ends any active screen sharing session and terminates background processes. Once stopped, check the permissions and battery sections, revoke unnecessary permissions, and switch battery optimization to restrict background restart, because otherwise Android may relaunch the service. If the Disable button is present, use it to prevent auto restart until you want sharing again. This combination is the only. Complete the process by rebooting your Oneplus. That clears any lingering sockets and ensures the service stays closed. If the sharing icon or connection persists after a reboot, go back to the system app and clear cache and clear data, then force stop again. This removes saved sessions that can auto-reconnect. If problems continue, remove paired devices from Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings, since a remembered receiver can trigger reconnects. If nothing works, contact Oneplus support, but these steps fix almost all cases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.